Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OPPO A54s smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 apps for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that I would like to share with you today is called Caffeine, and it allows you to set the screen timeout value on your phone whenever. So as we all know, if we'll go to the settings, display and brightness category, we'll notice that the maximum value that we can set as for the auto screen off option is 30 minutes. So in order to be able to set it to never, we'll use the help of the Caffeine app. So all you gotta do is to open the app itself. In here, make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all. There are also some configurations that you can play with, so we highly recommend that you get this app and explore it yourself. Next we have the app that is called Who Touched My Phone, and this app allows you to imperceptibly take this photos and pictures from the selfie camera once your phone is being unlocked or once somebody is trying to unlock your phone, for example. So when you launch the app for the first time, you are greeted with some of the, well, reports and some of the explanations on how this app works and how this app should be used. As you can see, it records some reports, saves them, make sure to take the photos and make reports once there are any failed unlock attempts, and then you are able to browse those reports. So let's try to enable it. In prior of doing so, we'll need to allow it the access to the camera. So while using the app, okay. We can skip the battery optimization permit, but it is necessary for us to give the Who Touched My Phone application the permit usage access. So let's click on OK, find WTMP app in here in this list, tap on it and turn on this permit usage access switch. Now we can get back to the app and we'll see that this power button turned green. That ultimately means that this app is active and is ready to work. So let's test it out. For example, I'm some random stranger that want to access your smartphone. I'm trying to swipe it. I'm not doing the pattern right. Obviously my face will not fit to the camera and my fingerprint is not added, so I will not be able to unlock it via biometrics, and I give up and leave this phone as it is. But once you take the phone yourself, you'll be able to see that there are 2 journal entries. The first one is being the device not unlocked and the photo is taken, and the device unlocked, the photo is being taken as well. So that was it for the Who Touched My Phone application, and we are moving on to the third app that is called Stick Around. It's a very fun and useful app if you are visiting movies oftenly. It allows you to see whether this or that movie has any after or during the credit scenes. So for example, let's say you bought the tickets for the Gold movie and you want to see whether it is worth for you to stay after the credits for any hidden after or during the credit scenes. So let's wait for the app to load the data. We can actually try to reload it, so it will expedite the loading process. So let's go for the Gold movie once again and wait for the app to get all the needed data. It should not take a lot of time, maybe like 10-15 seconds, 20 seconds, worst case scenario. So let's wait. Alrighty, let's try to manually search for some movie. For example, I'll want to see if Dune has any after or during the credit scenes. Maybe it will load the movie faster this way. Or maybe let's try to see the Batman. Already, yeah, the app has finally loaded all the data it needs. So as you can see, the new Batman movie does not contain any during or after the credit scenes, so it's not worth for us to wait for the during the credits time or after the credits. If for example we will choose the American Siege movie, we'll see that this movie contains some of the worthy hidden during the credits and after the credit scenes. Alrighty, so that was it, not only for the stick around app, but for this video in general. So if you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!